Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you're having a great day. And I'm going to have quite a few videos coming out today, so thank God for that. I'm actually happy of doing this, actually getting up at the right time and making stuff and all that great stuff. So, we have some news. Jussie Smollett is going back to prison. Yes, I understand. This is a long time ago, but I'm doing an update. I always try to do an update on news, and unfortunately, I haven't done an update on the news of the lady getting killed by that one guy, or that one. I think it was a far left person, but I have to remember. But yes, this guy is going back to jail. The court has rejected his plea deal, and he'll be going back to jail. So that's what we have. So we have this here, just in from Colin Rugg. Hoaxer Jussie Smollett lost his appeal and is going back to jail after an appeals court affirmed his disorderly conduct conviction. Good, keep him there. In December of 2021, Smollett was found guilty of 5 felony counts after he faked a hate crime to make Trump supporters look bad. Here's Smollett whining back in March of 22 after he was sentenced to jail. Clown. I'm not going to repeat this video because he was an idiot first off. But yeah, this is what's happening here. Yeah, the court rejects Jussie Smollett's appeal of his case conviction. I'm not going to read this, but I'm just showing people, especially on the far left, if they don't really want to believe me for whatever apparent reason, that this is from the New York Times, their favorite news article that you people like to cite. So this is what's happening here. We have this here from the New York Post, pretty much today, actually. Or this was published December 1st. Jussie Smollett headed back to jail after conviction upheld by appeals court in hate crime hoax, or hoax, whichever one you pronounce it. Disgraced actor Jussie Smollett may be going to jail as soon as appeals court upheld his convictions related to a 2019 hate crime hoax on Friday, or hoax. The Empire Star, 41, was convicted in 2021 of felony course of disorderly conduct related to alleged racist, homophobic attack and sentenced to 150 days behind bars. He served just 6 days of the sentence while the appeal was pending. Smollett challenged the role of the special prosecutors, the jury selection, evidence, and other aspects of the case against him, but the convictions were ultimately upheld in 2-1 opinion from the Illinois Appeal Court. The California native who made his big screen debut in 1992's The Mighty Ducks made headlines in 2019 when he reported to Chicago police that he was a victim of a homophobic racist attack by 2 men wearing ski masks. Okay. This is another reason why I found like when the far left was like really going with this guy and like raving and happy about it. I found it incredibly stupid because one, it was in Illinois, Chicago, the most bluest place probably in the country, or one of the most bluest places in the country, and saying that a Trump supporter with masks is attacking him. That's insane. I don't see how any of that would fly there in Chicago, and don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure there are some people there that are in Chicago that are Trump supporters, probably secretly so they don't get attacked, but be as it may, it sounded completely outrageous that this was even a thing. So it was kind of like a lie from the get-go. So I really don't understand this, but we'll go on here. The search for the attackers quickly backpedaled into an investigation into Smollett. It resulted in his arrest on charges that he paid two men he knew from Empire to help him orchestrate the incident. I know why it says 2 men. That was a little weird there, but alright. Lawyers for Smollett claimed that he was a victim of a racist justice system and pot-licking. Appellate Judge Fedrina Lyle said Friday that he would have tossed Smollett's conviction on the ground that it was fundamentally unfair to appoint a special prosecutor and charge the actor when he already completed community services as part of a previous deal with Cook County prosecutors. It was common sense that Smollett was bargaining for a complete resolution of the matter, not simply a temporary one, she opined. Special Prosecutor Dan Webb, however, told Deans that the ruling was resounding and profound victory. So, yeah. But at the end of the day, guys, this is just the reality of what's going on here. He's just going back to prison. He's going to have a fun time. Maybe he might get pegged a little bit. Maybe not. Don't know. But I don't think he's going to be going there for very long, to be honest with you guys. I think he's going to be there for a very brief amount of time, if hardly ever at all. So there's that. And then there's also the mere fact that, like, it was kind of dumb when it comes to appeals in the first place because, for instance, it was like a Chicago blue state kind of jury. So, I mean, if they're going to convict him, it seems pretty solidified. I mean, if those people are pretty much convicting him, and especially on a race issue, which I would assume would be majority black. It kind of is kind of hilarious in that respect. But be as it may, he's going to jail. Bye bye, Jussie Smollett. Have fun. Watch out for the soap bars slipping from your hands, and have a great day. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, share. As always, take care.
I'm disgusted by what I see in public. Even people closest to us can't be trusted, 'cause it's algorithmic disease, the social media.